To make your DIY compass, because not everyone owns a compass, you'll definitely need the following things: a strip of cardboard, a pencil, and a thumbtack. You will possibly need a pen and a ruler. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to mark up your compass arm. I'm going to use the pen because it's easier to see. I'm going to take my ruler. I'm going to put some dots in it. And I'm just going to go, I'm not going to go right to the edge. I'm going to go right here, then 1 inch, and make a dot. Each inch, I'm making a dot. And then I'll put a line at 1/2 inch intervals. Now, I'm going to take my thumbtack, and I'm going to punch holes at each one of these intervals. And give it a little wiggle too. I'm going to leave it at the 0 spot because that is going to be the point of the compass. This cardboard is going to be the compass arm. And now I have 1/2 inch intervals for wherever I want to make an arc or a circle. So my pencil should be sharp, and I'm going to go to 3 inches. See how it's coming through? I now have a working compass. If you have a piece of cardboard to use as a backing, because not everyone has a cutting mat, but you don't want to do this right on your tabletop. Someone will get mad at you. So you push that in. I'm going to go to the 2 inch mark. Go all the way through. And now I just swing a circle. So using the compass to make an equilateral triangle, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line for my base. Using my ruler, I've made that line exactly 3 inches. So now I'm going to go to the corner, go to 3 inches. I'm going to swing an arc. Then I'm going to go to the other one, drive my compass point in, go back to 3 inches. Now at that intersection point, I now have an equilateral triangle. To make a square, the first order of business is to make a diagonal line. Now that diagonal line is longer than I need it to be. I'm going to take the point of my line segment, and I'm going to put my compass point in there. I'm going to go, I'm choosing 2.5 inches. Drive my compass in, 2.5 inches again. Okay, what I have here is 2 intersection points. When I bisect them, I have a 90-degree angle here. Then I'm going to go 2 inches out. So now I have a circle around that center point. I'm going to connect these lines at the intersection point. So I now have a square. I can use my Pythagorean theorem to determine what the hypotenuse of this triangle is going to be. Or I'm just going to say 1.5 inches, because 1.5 inches